we are going to write a letter about or letter of complaint to the local municipal body about the dumping and non-disposal of garbage in your locality. You are Joy Samal of Sarpantara, Bhubaneswar. You have to write first date, your address, Joy Samal, Bhubaneswar, Sarpantara, Bhubaneswar, date 5/02/2025 to the mayor, DMC, Bhubaneswar, Odisha. Subject: filling and non-disposal of garbage. Madam, or you can write sir, it is brought to your kind notice that for last 15 days garbages are not being collected from our colony. As a result, a heap of garbages has been created. Stray cattle and dogs are spitting them and streets. It creates unhealthy and unhygienic atmosphere for colony dwellers. Even after several complaints to the local corporator, he is non-responsive. Therefore, another paragraph. Therefore, you are requested to take immediate steps in this regard, ensuring proper garbage management and disposal in our locality. Your action in this regard will be highly appreciated. Yours sincere, Joy Samal of Sarpantara, Bhubaneswar. Thank you.